All right, we're going to take this maple door, turn it into this hunter green cabinet. This has a little primer surfacer over it that's been tinted to match, a little lacquer top coat, actually two, and we'll get that right to it and watch it transform. All right, everybody, let's get this going. We're going to spray the backs of this up first. We'll test this gun, make sure she's flowing out and shooting right. Stick around. Let's get it out. Very pretty. All right, let's get that top coat on. Notice how we squirt underneath those edges. Nice. That gets it way up underneath there. Any dry spots you have, you can come back. This is the first wet coat. We're going to come back and wet it one more time. Sand it down. All right. Well, here we go. Now this is all dried up. We're going to sand the backs with 320. This is about how we do it. All right. We give it a nice good rub off. We catch our hard edges like this. Try not to burn through the very outside edge of it. All right. Give it a nice little hiss off like that. Even your outsides, when you press right to the center. Don't kiss the edge because you don't want to burn through. See how my finger's riding on it? All right. Same with the scratch pad. Give it its nice little rub. This is like a 320 scratch pad. Makes it really nice. It breaks off all the evenness. Blow it off, tack it off. If I was doing this without you, I'd be wearing my mask. So, anyway, same routine. There's no rhyme or reason you can hit this part first. Sometimes I do this as well. We might speed this up for you, I don't know. It's not that long. Right, you see how nicely powdered that paint's been dry for a bit. This is a primer surfacer from Sherwin-Williams. We're going to do 2 coats on this. The second coat will be about the same. It'll just gloss it up, flatten it out a little bit more. We'll give it a light sand on the next coat, but stick around. We'll get that going on, and you'll watch this beauty transform, right? All right. Nothing to it the way we do it. Like and subscribe if you're getting some value. We'll do this again. All right. Thanks a lot. Need your support. All right, we got the final coat of paint going on right now. Been sanded off 320, scratch padded, blown off, tacked off. Let's get the coat on. Looks beautiful. You want a nice, even, wet coat. Looks nice. All right, our primer's all dried up now. Now we just give it a light sand with some 400 and a little gray scratch pad. Catch it up all in your corners. Make it nice and dull, just to where it looks even. You know, we just ride over it really lightly, like so. So anyway, blow it off, tack it off. You know the routine, right? Yep, give it a nice tack. And let's get the clear coat put on this baby. Now Now you see how that wasn't accomplished in 1 or 2 passes. You really got to get up in there and take your time. Don't put on such a big old wide pattern. Keep it down to about 6 inches or so, and then double and half your overlap, about half as much. So good luck. This is going to be beautiful. You can do the same thing I'm doing. You may not have... Well, all right, we got her figured out. All dried up, done. Put 2 coats of lacquer on top of the primer now. You do the same with paint, but just take it slow. You can make yours turn out just as pretty. Look at that. Ready for years of beautiful service. So if you got any value out of this, like and subscribe, and we'll do it again for you. Maybe we'll teach you something else.